So clients often ask me what's the difference between B Corp and EcoVadis. Well, we chose EcoVadis, and in fact we're really ecstatic to announce we've just been certified Gold Standard Award, which puts us in the top 5 percentile, as you'll see behind us, and our path to progress to that. But in the toss-up between EcoVadis and B Corp, EcoVadis is the world's largest examiner assessor of business sustainability and ESG compliance. ESG standing for environmental, social governance. So it's basically exact control on that. And B Corp, the alternative. To be honest, I love the B Corp marketability or buy-in of people, planet, profit in equal measure. It's very catchy. I love that, and actually makes the priority be about not just profit as an organization or a founder, but actually spreading that load across the three. But we chose EcoVadis 4 years ago. We're told it was going to be a lot harder, and actually it has been really tough scrutiny. And actually you can see our journey behind me here, progressing over the period through bronze, silver to finally gold. But while it's not as catchy as the people, planet, profit, EcoVadis is eels. They don't market that, but that's my way of remembering it. Eels for environment, ethics, labour and human rights, and sustainable procurement. Not just sustainability, but sustainable procurement. So ideally, sourcing everything as locally as possible, those kind of things. But what I love most about EcoVadis is that because it's very heavily adopted by the world's largest organisations like Unilever and like L'Oreal, it allows them to monitor their entire supply chain. So actually, now that we've achieved gold status, actually we're going to be asking all of our suppliers to get on board with EcoVadis so we can start understanding their supply chain better, because nobody wants a boo-hoo-hoo, if you know what I mean. Let's not go there. So really pleased to announce this. It puts us in the top 5 percentile, honestly, on our mission to eradicate single-use plastics from e-commerce and be the first net zero packaging manufacturer. Honestly, this is a big leap for us. We're really proud of it and showing that we're people who care. But I hope you've learned something from this video, and yeah, until the next time, I'm happy.